Bitcoin, guys. I just want to show you the setup that I used to pass my account this morning. So, and as I used to explain, look at it. Market was bearish, then bullish temporarily, then bearish again. Look at the change of character, inducement, mitigation, sell. Break of structure, inducement, market came to extreme sell. So when I saw that, I noticed that we had a break of structure here. I identified my inducement, I identified my POI, and I sold. Targeted 1 to 3. This is the same approach I've been teaching since. I've been explaining. Break of structure can only be confirmed after inducement has been taken. Wait for this pullback, then sell. Wait for another one, then sell. That's all. It's that simple. Look at this. This NZD USD 1 hour time frame. Look at this one again. USD JPY. I've been monitoring this pair, this chart for some time. So I waited for the right time. Look at it. Market was bearish. But when we got to this place, market gave us change of character. I identify my inducement and I look for my POI. Then I execute the trade. And look at it, target 1 to 3. This 1 to 3 I'm looking for. Almost there. 1 to 3. I'm almost there now. Now after that, this one aside, after that, market gave us another break of structure after change of character. I identify a liquid small inducement here, very small pullback here. Market came back for it after gave us this pullback and push up, which confirmed that we had a break of structure here again. So look at it. After we confirm the break of structure, I know that market has to protect this level. So all I need to do is to wait for my inducement to be taken out, which is here, and at this other block I initiate another trade. So look at it, market came back to that block and boom. So it's that simple. No rocket science, nothing. So as I said, very simple. When market is bullish, in a bullish trend like this, when market is bullish like this, wait for change of character. Let's say you identify that market give it change of character. Wait for change of character to be confirmed here. Identify your inducement. Don't buy or don't sell here. This is a trap. Sell above it, inducement, and look for your other block or POI before you sell. Repeat the same process. Don't sell support or all those nonsense. Sell here. Make sure that market take out liquidity so that you won't be part of liquidity. Allow the market to come back for inducement, mitigate other block or other flow or whichever entry model you use, then you sell. It's that simple. Look at it. I had two trade on this one. This has already played out, giving me a return of 1 to 3. This is almost there. Look at it. Almost there. So on this just two setup, I have 6% plus this one 9%, and I was up on my account before. So in fact, I've already closed this because I've passed the account, so there's no point in trading it when the whole setup have already given me what I needed in the market. So that's it, guys. I just want to update you guys on the few trades I had this week, and they are doing well. This week is kind of is a profitable week so far. No stress, nothing, no delay. So look at it. I took this trade on Tuesday when the market mitigates this level. I think it's on the Tuesday. Yes, yesterday. That's when I took this trade. Tuesday. Yes, that's on 12, which is yesterday. That's Thursday. That's when I took this trade, and look at it. Market just deliver straight. When you enter at the right spot, forget it. Market will surely deliver. It's not 100%, but at least most of the time you have a good result. So the concept is just follow the same pattern, the same approach, and the market will reward you for being consistent with your approach. So that's it, guys.